Hello, welcome to my channel Infinity Skill Hub. Today I will see you what is soft link and what is hard link. So let's see some difference between hard link and soft link. So sometimes we call soft link as a symbolic link. So what is hard link? Hard link is include the original file content. Hard link is faster than soft link. It share similar inode. It use less memory. Now we'll come what is soft link. It include original file location, not the file content. It include original file location. Soft link is slower than hard link. It share different inode and it use more memory. Let's go to the practical skill. Now I am creating two directory. For one is for hard link and another is for soft link. Hard directory is used for hard link and I am creating another directory soft link. This directory I will use for create a soft link. Let's see that whether the directories are created or not. We can see that soft link and hard both are the directories are created. Now I am going to create one file inside these directories. So go to the directory cd hard. I am using touch command to create the files test.sh. Okay, make it more precise. Uh, test underscore hardlink dot sh. Give some content. Echo. This is hardlink. Okay. Now go to the another directory. Soft directory I am using for soft link directory. Soft link directory I am using for create a soft link. Okay, let's create a file here also. Touch test underscore softlink.sh. Give some content. This is softlink. Okay. Now first we create the hard link. So create the hard link. We use ln command. Now we need to give the source file location. That's mean where the file is exist. This is my source file location and now I am giving the location where I want to create the hard link. So I want to create the hard link in the current location. So I just give the file name by which file name I want to create the hard link. So I am giving the file name is hardlink. Hardlink.sh. I am extremely sorry because inside the directory I misspelled the hard link, but this is just a file name, nothing more. So okay, now I am create the hard link. See, the hard link is created. So if I try to run this file hardlink.sh, you can see the content is shown that this is hardlink. Now come to the point where I told you previously that the inode is same for hardlink. So to check that, use the ls-li command and give the source file name, source file. So this is my source file location, and now I am going to give the file which I create for hardlink. So this is the file. Now you can see the inode number is same. Now I am come to the another point, that is to create the soft link. Let me clear the screen first. Clear. So for soft link I used the directory, I guess soft link. Let me check once. Actually there are two directories named soft. So yes, this directory I am using for creating a soft link. Okay, so create the soft link, we use the ls-s command. Now we need to give the source file path. Source file path means where the file is exist. So soft link. Now test soft link. Now give the file name. I am giving test3.sh. Oh sorry, actually test2 file is already exist, so I need to give the actually I say that I will create the file by name test3, but mistakenly I give the test2. Okay, I apologize for this. So now let's see whether the file is created or not. See, there is the file is created. Now if I try to check the soft link file inode, that is soft link test, and the file which I create for mega soft link, you can see the inode is different, both the file using the different inode. But if I check it, if I try to run from this location to the soft link file, we can see test3.sh, the file is run absolutely perfectly. So this is come to the end of this video. So please do subscribe my channel to get more informative video about the technology. Thank you for watching.